Woke up in the morning light, gotta make it right.
Sa nakarang episode ay pinasyalan natin ang isang mountain resort sa Antipolo, Rizal.
Let kindness lead the way. Take a stranger by the hand, show them how to understand. We've got the power within to make this world a friend. Do the right thing, let your heart sing. Do the right thing, feel the joy it'll bring.
At sa videong ito ay tutulak naman tayo papunta ng San Mateo, Rizal para mag-camping.
And you feel you've had enough, just remember there's a choice. Listen to
Ano kaya ang panibagong adventure ang ating mararanasan? Tara at samahan ninyo ako muli sa gagawin nating moto camping adventure. Let's go!
that we made. Hearts can heal and future shape. Do the right thing, let your heart sing. Do the right thing, feel the joy it'll bring. Woke up in the morning light, gotta make it right. Stars shining in your eyes so bright we know. Walking down the city streets, our hearts aglow. I don't need a million things, diamonds or gold. All I want is you right here, my hand to hold. Neon lights and sleepless nights will fade away. Lost in every word you say, we drifted sway. Time can steal what's pure and real, a world untold. All I want is you, my dear, to have and hold. And when the stars begin.
Good morning mga Ka-Will Wonder TV. Welcome back sa panibagong episode ng ating moto camping adventure. So sa araw na ito ay maghahanap na naman tayo ng lugar na kung saan ay tayo ay makapagpahinga kahit panandalian lamang. So andito na pala tayo ngayon sa bayan ng Marikina. Hindi pala tayo magsusulo sa biyahe natin ngayong araw. So tayo ay na late na dahil ang usapan namin ay alas 10 ng umaga. So ang oras natin ngayon ay 11:40 na. Na late lang naman tayo dahil sobrang traffic dun sa kalsada na dinaanan natin. So meron na lang tayong 5 kilometers at mararating na natin yung lugar kung saan doon kami magkita-kita. Alright, let's go.
In the darkest night, I search for light. Fumbling through shadows, fighting the fight. Heart in my hand, I'm lost in the land. Whispers of hope, slipping like sand. In the darkest night, I'll find my way. Even when it's tough, I'm here to stay. Stars above so bright, guiding me right. Moonlight in my eyes, chasing the highs. Footsteps so soft, echoes aloft. Dreams that we hold, and hearts so bold. In the darkest night, I'll find my way. Even when it's tough, I'm here to stay.
So guys, time check 1:30 na ng hapon. At nakasama na natin yung ating mga kasama ngayong araw. Sila Yumamen at si Bonnie RV. Sila Brother Lay tsaka si Madam Ninia. Yun yung nasa unahan natin. Wow, ganda na pala dito. First time ko dito sa lugar na to. Pakatarik ng daan.
Stars above so bright, guiding me right. Moonlight in my eyes, chasing the high. Footsteps so soft, guiding me right. Moonlight in my eyes, chasing the highs.
So, nandito na pala tayo. Ilang minuto lang. Chip yung motor sa ibabaw din. Okay. Wow, ang tarik. Wow, ganda dito guys.
Sunrise, whispers clear sky. Feel the morning sigh. Breathing deeply, time to try. Finding peace, don't pass it by. Walk the path with open heart. Every step's a brand new start. Feel the calmness in your heart. Let the worries fall apart. Find your inner peace. Let the trouble cease. Feel the quiet ease. Find your inner peace. In the silence, hear your voice. Make the moments your own choice. Follow dreams, don't fear the noise. In your stillness, find rejoice. Peace comes slow but shines so bright. Hold it tight through day and night. Flow with love and see the light. Inner peace will guide your flight. In the storm, keep standing tall. Hear the gentle nature's call. Strength within will never fall. Through the calmness, find it all. Ooh. Find your inner peace. Let the trouble cease. Feel the quiet ease. Find your inner peace. In the silence, hear your voice. Make the moments your own choice. Follow dreams, don't fear the noise. In your stillness, find rejoice. Sunrise, whispers clear sky. Feel the morning sigh. Breathing deeply, time to try. Finding peace, don't pass it by. Walk the path with open heart. Every step's a brand new start. Feel the calmness in your heart. Stillness, find rejoice. Inner peace.
So guys, magandang hapon. At nandito pala tayo ngayon sa UCM Adventure Park dito sa bayan ng San Mateo, Rizal. Alright. At tayo ay mag-overnight camping dito kasama ang ating mga kaibigan na sila Yumamen at si Brother Lay at si Madam Ninia. So ito po dito kami pupisto ng aming duyan mamaya. Ito yung tent ni Brother Lay tsaka ni Madam Ninia. Alright, let's go. At ngayon ay mag-i-TV kami. So kinuha ko lang yung helmet ko para ito yung gamitin ko. At bago magsimula ang aming trail ay kailangan muna kaming i-briefing ng aming tour guide.
chasing dreams we're trying to find. Running fast, not far behind. Feels like we are losing time. City lights are blinding bright. Paper chasing day and night. In a blur we fight the fight. Searching for the shining light. Searching for the shining light.
Sun is shining, feel the glow.
Let's go! Alright guys, so first time pala natin mag drive ng ATV. So ganito palang pakiramdam pag first time. Medyo nakakakaba. So siguro sa katagalan makokontrol na natin to ng maayos. So yung nasa unahan ko pala ay si Mamen at si Brother Lay at si Madam Ninya ay nasa likuran natin. Wow, lakas! Ang lakas ng alikabok ni Mamen. Yun, no? Off-roading. Wow, wow.
Every moment you're profound. In this paradise we found. As long as summer days are here, feel the joy so bright and clear. We got each other so sincere. Sun
Ako taklan! Wasak! Cortez Farm. Oh, meron din pala ditong pwedeng pasyalan. Ganda na ng vibes dito, oh.
sunny summer love is clear.
Ganda ng view dito, oh. Ganda, men.
Sun is shining, feel the glow.
Ganda dito. May mga ginagawang ano, parang kalsada. So, ako ngayon nasa ulihan.
Summertime,
Saluin natin lahat ng alikabok!
ice melted on my hand.
Parang uulanin ata kami.
Goes across the sea. Got no worries, got no plan. Just live
Huli lang ako.
like we all can.
Tanaw na dito guys yung kabundukan ng Rizal.
Feel the joy so bright.
Ayan, oh. Siguro itong matataas na to, ano na to, parting Marilaki na. Ito. Side na to.
Sunny summer.
Ganda dito. Tanaw dito yung Pililya, oh. Yung Pililya Rizal. Yung mga windmill. Tanaw dito.
Barefoot walks up to the ground. Music's playing summer sound.
Wow, first time natin mag-ATV. Kung hindi tayo dinala nila Mamen, tsaka ni Bro Lay, tsaka ni Madam Ninya, hindi tayo makakapag-experience ng ganito. Let's go! At aabutan na ata kami ng gabi. Dilim na eh. Alright, dito na medyo mahirap yung daan. So, alalay lang sa preno at medyo matarik yung pababa. Oo, dilim na. Bangin na pala yung sa kanan natin. Upya. Okay naman yung preno niya, malakas. Oo, gubat na talaga to. Yun, no? Let's go! At pagka-uwi namin sa campsite ay agad na kaming nag-prepare ng aming hapunan. At pagkatapos ay agad na rin kaming kumain. Pagkatapos kumain ay nag-chill-chill lang kami saglit na may kasamang masaya at masarap na kwentuhan. At pagkatapos magkwentuhan ay nagpahinga na rin kami. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating episode. Laging tatandaan, God is good all the time. Kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod nating mga biyahe. Bye-bye!